Good day, class. Today we will discuss the lesson entitled The Phase Diagram of Water and Carbon Dioxide. This is just a brief explanation for phase diagram of water and carbon dioxide. Now, when we say phase diagram, it is a diagram showing the various phases of a system. Phase diagrams are useful for material engineering and material applications. With their aid, scientists and engineers understand the behavior of a system which may contain more than one component compounds. So that is the meaning of phase diagram. Now let's go to the phase diagram of water. In this diagram, it shows the different state of water as in liquid, solid, and gas. So you can see the temperature with the given pressures of the atmosphere or the atmospheric pressure. Now at a certain temperature with a certain or specific pressure, water began to change. For example, water in a liquid state is the most stable, but when it reaches down to the temperature which is 0.0 degrees Celsius, water begins to form solid or begins to change into solid state. Now, if water in liquid state reaches 100 degrees Celsius in temperature with 1 atmosphere pressure, water begins to change from liquid to gas as water vapor. Now, as you can see, we have here a triple point. It is a point wherein water as a solid ice begun to melt from 0 degrees Celsius, and when it melts, it will become water vapor. And from liquid state, when the temperature drops down to 0.0 degrees Celsius also, water becomes solid. So this point is what we call the triple point. Now, if we reach beyond 100 degrees Celsius, this is now the critical point of water. Water is not stable. Now, at 374 degrees Celsius, with 218 atmospheric pressure, this is the critical pressure of water at this point. Water reaches the critical point. So this is the phase diagram of water. The phase diagram of water shows at low temperature, solid ice is a stable phase. At moderate temperatures and high pressure, water in liquid form is stable in phase. And at high temperature and low pressure, water in gas state is the stable phase. Question: at what pressure water begins to boil or vaporize? Correct, at 1 atmosphere. Now let's go to the phase diagram for carbon dioxide. This phase diagram of carbon dioxide is somehow the same as the phase diagram of water. Let's have a phase diagram of water. So as you can see, It has also same features like the phase diagram of water. It has temperatures with the given pressures. Carbon dioxide, as we all know, is gas, right? But there are some cases that carbon dioxide will turn into liquid. Can you give an example of carbon dioxide in liquid form? Like for example, in carbonated drinks. So we put some carbon dioxide in some carbonated drinks, like in some soft drinks. So that is a case where carbon dioxide will turn into liquid form. Carbon dioxide can also change into solid. So we have here the given temperatures. At 1 atmosphere and negative 78.5 degrees Celsius, carbon dioxide is in solid state. At 5.1 atmosphere and negative 56.7 degrees Celsius, carbon dioxide is still in solid state. At 72.9 atmospheric pressure and negative 56.7 degrees Celsius, carbon dioxide is still in solid state. Now beyond negative 56 degrees Celsius with 72.9 atmospheric pressure, carbon dioxide in solid state will start to change in liquid state. Beyond negative 56.7 degrees Celsius, or for example, 31 degrees Celsius and 72.9 atmospheric pressure, water or carbon dioxide is in liquid form. Now in 31 degrees Celsius and 51 atmospheric pressure, water is in the state of gas, in a gaseous state. So at 1 atmosphere, negative 78.5 degrees Celsius, carbon dioxide can be in solid state or in gaseous state. So water also has this kind of diagram wherein it has a triple point. Carbon dioxide somehow also has. The phase diagram of carbon dioxide has common features with that of water, as what I have said. It has sublimation curve, vaporization curve, triple point, critical temperature, and pressures. So this is a short or a brief explanation of the phase diagram of water and carbon dioxide.